Carrots are part of the superfoods group. As a main course, carrots are loaded with antioxidants. The compound known as procyanidin is believed to be responsible for the health benefits of carrots. Procyanidin is also thought to help with cancer, arthritis, diabetes, obesity, sleep apnea, and even Alzheimer's disease. In addition to being a good source of nutrients, carrots are also a source of some vitamins and minerals which are considered to be superfoods. The orange-colored dye from carrots is commonly used in hair dye. The dye found in the carrot is called carotene. It is thought that this is why the dye is so good for our eyesight. The nutritional value of carrots is high. They are a good source of fiber, protein, iron, calcium, and potassium. In fact, carrots are the only vegetable that contains all 9 of these essential vitamins and minerals. The main benefit of carrots is thought to be that they contain carotenoids. These pigments help protect against the damage that is caused by free radicals. Since they help us to be healthy, the consumption of carrots is believed to prevent certain diseases, and it can actually treat some of them. Carotenoids are found in fruits and vegetables. They are the same compounds that make tomatoes and berries brown. Carotenoids are the same things that are behind the color of red and yellow vegetables, as well as the vitamin A in citrus fruits. Vitamin A has antioxidant properties. It helps to boost our immune system, fight off infection, and keep diseases from forming in the body. It is also thought to help the eyesight, to prevent glaucoma, and even to help people recover from strokes. Another benefit of carrots is that they contain nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps the blood flow through the body. This has been found to reduce blood pressure and to decrease our chances of having an attack of angina. Having high blood pressure and heart disease are 2 of the leading causes of death in the United States. This is because the procyanidins in carrots have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and those that are not yet formed. Many health benefits of carrots are due to their rich nutrient content, but they also contain cancer-fighting compounds.